So this video today will show you how to remove your shift boot and selector out of a 2007 A3, and of course the knob. First thing you want to do is get a decent pry tool, and you want to work down and away from the surface of your brushed aluminum. Yours might pull up way harder than that. You go ahead and lift this up. Then inside here there's a compression band, which has already been removed. You just pop that guy off and pull out gently on the knob button and pull the whole top piece up. Then you'll get it out like this. And then when you purchase one to go put it in, this button has to be pushed back out. The best way I found to do this is either you can A, blow into the bottom of this deal here, or B, use a blow tool to do it, I guess. And hold it out. And put it on there and let go of the button. And it's all back on there. But if you don't hold that out, you're going to put it back on. The button doesn't push back out. It just doesn't stay on, doesn't work properly. So you got to make sure you blow that out.